Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile on Myfitnesspal website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after that we have to open our account. And after that, as you can see, you will get the settings icon here. You have to click on the settings icon. If you want to change your settings, if you want to control your settings, you can also do that. As you can see, like you're changing your password, changing your email address, changing your username, time zone, update, weight, height, fitness spell. As you can see, these every and each and option is provided here. You can change these options as well. So if you want to change these options, you can also do that. For example, if you want to delete your account, you can also do that. If you want to change your language, then you have to click on the change language, and after that you have to choose your language, that which language you want, and after that that language will be applied on your whole website, on your whole content. But I don't want to change language, so we are going to back again. As you can see, the username is also provided here. You can also change your username as well. So in this way, you can manage your profile on the MyFitnessPal website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can manage your profile. So see you guys in the next video.